جايز اليوم أنا رايحة للبيتش مع صديقتي. بنروح الشاطئ أول بعدين بنروح نتعشى مع بعض. فأنا لبست نفسي ما أحب عشان البوتس الجزمة ما تناسب البيتش. But I just thought maybe for the dinner part. For dinner. Yeah. Jewelry. And such a good guys, hello. I don't know, my hair looks really messy, but I'm straight because we're going to the beach and it'll be messy anyway. Oh, and the hot somebody here. And I'm wearing like a, let me bring the donkey. This is the bag, by the way. I'm planning to just have photos. I'm planning to just not wear the jacket and just, yeah, the back floor, not the jacket, but the jacket's actually cute. This one. Oh my god, I've had this jacket for years. I love it. And it's just this as well. Just in case it gets cold. Boots jacket and the bag. Oh my god, right? Looks so nice. I just wanted to. Okay guys, bye. I'll see you there hopefully.
وصلت أنا الحين في الشاطئ مع صديقاتي قاعدين ياخذون صور. نمشي هنا and there's everyone else. مطر كان في مطر اليوم ف my boots are not doing the best right now at the time. It's really nice. What is that? Is that a dog? It's really nice today. ايوه فكلنا بناخذ صور الحين كلهم البنات. ما اعرف صراحة كيف لابسين كذا وما هم بدانات. ما هم بدانين. I don't know. I think it's a talent. انا باخذ صور بعد شوية. Oh my god. Hi guys, we're stuck here. We couldn't find any open restaurants. كل المطاعم هنا مسكرة. احنا رحنا Old Town. We're in Old Town right now. It's so nice. بس ما في أحد. ما جيت ذا المكان من سنتين. آخر مرة جيت هنا كان مع أمي. ما جيت من زمان. أيوة أنا هنا مع كل البنات كلهم هنا قاعدين نحاول نشوف مكان مطعم مفتوح. بس أيوة رحنا الشاطئ وأنا الحين هنا بأول تاون نحاول نلقى مطعم مفتوح. Oh yeah, all restaurants are closed right now. No food. I'm starving. Me too. But you know what's in here. Oh God. You know what's in here?
I used to work there. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, looks nice. There's
Do we know where we're
dolls
going?
as
Do you
well.
want to go there? There's also a time. Yeah, we would have to drive, but this is almost a mile away.
I feel like they're open now.
Bistro.
Say it?
No. The bistro. Wait, guys, we're gonna like walk here. Where? The bistro.
Okay.
But we have directions. It's like it closes at 10. So
Okay.
it's fine.
Perfect. كل المطاعم هنا مسكرة الساعة الحين ما حتى 9. It's only like 9:40.
Close really early, or they close like really late, like 11, 12.
Yeah. We're on a mission.
People like it. No.
Yeah, they close so early.
Yes, I moved here 2 years ago. You did? Yes.
It was so nice.
Yeah, I was born here.
I remember one of my math teacher,
But he ended up
dropping the class. Saying like, oh, they can track down every single.
We're eating right now. How's your food?
Now here are the other girlies.
That's like my sport. My sport is like so stagnant. Like
Our food, guys, we took half and half.
I was scared that the FBI would track me.
I already ate that half.
Yeah. This is one of the halves, and this is the other one.